Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on the Smiths app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your payment method on the Smiths app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Wallet. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Add Card. So this is where you can add your credit or debit card, Snap EBT, or gift card. Click on Add Card, enter your card information here, then go ahead and click on Add Card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payment method on the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.